الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الكهف سيقولون ثلاثة رابعهم كلبهم ويقولون خمسة سادسهم كلبهم رجما بالغيب ويقولون سبعة وثامنهم كلبهم قل ربي أعلم بعدتهم ما يعلمهم إلا قليل فلا تمار فيهم إلا مراء ظاهرا ولا تستفت فيهم منهم أحدا. Translation: They say they were three, fourth was their dog, and others say they were five, and sixth was their dog, all guessing randomly about the unseen. Yet others say they were seven, and eighth of them was the dog. Say you, my Rabb best knows their number. None knows them except a few. So do not argue or dispute about them except with an obvious and clear argument, and do not question any of them concerning their affairs. Meaning, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows how many people of cave were they, but people in general have a tendency to talk about things that are not important. And here also some people said, by guessing it, that they were three and fourth was the dog. Somebody would say five and sixth was the dog, and all these are just guessing without any solid concrete proof. It is possible that many people were guessing because they were trying to test Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as the Jews probably thought they were seven in number. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has pointed in this direction that they were possibly seven, and some of the scholars have gone in detail by the wordings of Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded that discussing their numbers and fighting about that is useless. Knowing their exact number will not increase anything. Main thing that one must understand that they were the pure monotheist young men, and they stood in front of the king and all the society, but did not leave their monotheistic religion, and they rejected openly the polytheism. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was enough for them to help them, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saved them from the king and the polytheist people. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, make us steadfast on the straight path. Oh Allah, help Muslims, unite Muslims. Oh Allah, give us the vision so that we can understand and act and preach the knowledge of Quran. Oh Allah, make us ponder on Quranic verses so that we can correct ourselves and we can purify ourselves. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.